Hey guys, I just got finished assembling the Lego typewriter here. This is a Lego set that was released in this year actually, 2021. And of course, my literal channel name is Typewriter Maniac. I collect typewriters. I was obligated to buy it. And it may not look too special right now. It may just look like a normal Lego set. But if you look in there, you'll see there's a lot more going on. Because if I go ahead and move this over, let me hold the typewriter so I can actually move the carriage over a bit. Let me see. Okay, I've moved it over. Let me get these slugs back where they belong. Okay, take a look at this. And the carriage moves and everything. No matter which key you press, the middle slug always goes up. But yeah, it is mechanically functioning. I have not assembled a Lego set in years, so I'm very happy that I didn't mess anything on this up. But yeah, the keys are a bit crooked right now. But yeah, that's just because they're held on with a single peg. But yeah, that is the Lego typewriter. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead and tell me in the comments if you guys want one of these. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.